So ayan, meron tayo dito Epson L210, L3210, L3210 and L1210. Ayan. So ito is blinking two lights. Ito no print out yung black and colored. Ito no print out black and colored. Palitin ng print head. Tsaka ito kailangan i-reset. Ito no power. So yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan yung Epson printer, continuous ink. Lahat yan ay may issue.